Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently played music on your Spotify application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in order to view your recently played list, you can tap on this recent icon right next to the notification icon at the top right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the recently played music displayed on the next page. Now, Spotify allows your friends or others to monitor your activity while you use the platform, and it has a section where you can see all of your recently played tracks. If you're looking for a song that you've recently played, this feature can be extremely helpful. But remember that this isn't just for your eyes. Everyone who follows you has an access to it as well. If you're secretive about your musical taste or have a strong sense of privacy, you may find this section to be intrusive. So in order to clear out the music from your recently played list, all you need to do is tap on the three dots right next to the song or the content that you played and tap on Hide Song from the expanded pop-up menu. Soon after you do that, the song will be hidden from the list and the other people who you are trying to hide it from won't be able to view this in your recently played list. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.